this is what happened on my water erosion. So I poured some of my water on. And it fell apart. It got all muddy, and then I did this one, and look, it fell down. And all of this, I used outside dirt. I used outside dirt and Lincoln logs. And so in mine, I dumped the water on, and the house collapsed. Like this piece was up here when the dirt's there, and now it's down there. This used to be standing up, and now it's down here. So this is actually outside dirt, but now it's wet because I poured water in it. Got it from my front yard. And I used it with water, the water eruption, like you watched on my mom's, Jensen, on Jensen's, on hers. And I think you already knew that, but I used a knife to get the pokey stick off, like this.